Hey, what's going on, everybody? I had a Kiesel Delos made. This came in yesterday, and there's going to be a little bit of unboxing footage I'll put at the end of this video. On the front, I tried to go with a white and cream theme throughout. Kiesel doesn't have cream knobs. It just would have looked so much better to have the cream knobs, but it doesn't look too bad with the white. I went with just the default ebony fingerboard. It's got the extra jumbo frets, not the medium. This time I went with just the white acrylic dots. These side dots look like they might be luminlay because they're not as bright as the white acrylic. Not 100% sure on that. This time I went with a 12-inch fingerboard radius. These are just the default lithium pickups. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this video, guys. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. It doesn't cost any money. You'll just get notified or see in your subscription feed when I post a new video. That way I can see you next video. Take care. Here's some unboxing footage.